Yes, sir. Car getting dropped off.
Bye, Type Bar.
Bye-bye. For who knows how long. Yeah. Hi, everyone. If you guys have been living under a rock for the past 2 to 4 months, in today's video, I will be catching you guys up on everything that's been going on with the Type R. At the end of January, your boy hit a stupid island curve that caused so much damage to the front end of the Type R. After about 3 months of waiting for the EPR Varis rep clip, I brought my car over to MB Auto Performance, and that's where he worked his magic, fixed the Varis front bumper, and also got the new fenders installed and painted, which I will show you guys later in this video. As you guys can tell, we finally got the car back. You guys could probably see some slight differences, as in we actually got the grille portion painted black, not paint matched Sonic Gray Pearl. It has been a long, grueling 3 to 4 months, and this is not even honestly the authentic Varis lip. This is just the EPR lip. You can't even tell up close. If I didn't tell you guys that this was a fake lip, I'm pretty sure none of you guys would know. So I don't want to see nobody in the comments saying, why'd you ever buy a fake lip? Why would you buy it? If you guys been watching my videos, you guys already know why I chose to buy the EPR lip instead of the actual Varis lip, which the actual one cost $2,000 for just this bottom portion lip alone, and the bumper with the lip is like $3 grand. Yeah, no, I bought the lip for 400 bucks, shipping 200, total 600. Hey, save me like 1,400 bucks. So this is the authentic Varis lip right here. Serial numbers back here that makes it authentic, and also I'm pretty sure the weave, and also I noticed like a straight line going right down the lip when I first bought the bumper. But if you come over here to the EPR, like, yeah, this one's cracked and broken, and it's probably pretty hard to tell the quality on it, but honestly it's very close. Again, I'm not saying that you should buy rep parts. You're not representing the actual company and, you know, helping support them. As you guys can tell, I've already bought the authentic piece. Do I want to buy another one and possibly smash it again? No, I'm not gonna possibly smash anything ever again. So yeah, that's the decision. That's why I bought a rep kit or a rep clip, just in case something ever happens. A deer runs out into the road. I don't know. But there's proof. Authentic. Not do I care anymore? I do care, but now since I've already had the authentic piece, it's whatever to me at this point. So the next big thing that I got done to the Type R, as you guys can tell, is the wider fenders. They are the Saban wide fenders. I'm pretty sure they're the plus 25 millimeters. So you can see how much wider those bad boys are compared to the stock ones. Honestly, I love this angled cutout right here. It makes it look so aggressive. The tires are sticking out. I know a lot of you guys might call me out for this, but just hear me out. I want to run spacers to kind of poke the wheels out a little bit more, just the front ones, because I feel like now with the wider fenders, the wheel setup looks a little bit sunken in, and I just want it to pop out just a little bit more. So I'm thinking of maybe running a plus 15 or plus 20. But I know there's probably gonna be a lot of you guys who's gonna say, why don't you get a real spec, like a real tire spec or wheel spec for your car? But it's like, bruh, I literally got the God spec of the TE37. This fitment 18 by 10 plus 41, the God spec fitment for the Type R, it's literally the perfect setup for your stock fenders. your stock OEM fenders for the both rears and the fronts. But now that I got wider fenders, I still want to keep them. It's not like I want to go away with them. So yeah, that's my reasoning for wanting to get a spacer, just to poke out the wheels a little bit more. What do you guys think I should get next? Obviously, the front end of the car is super aggressive and pretty much complete, other than, you know, the underlip.
Hey. Does this look kind of empty to you guys? Do you think you should add an H badge there?
He wants me to add the H badge there. Like, I do have that piece that came with the Varis bumper that you could put a Honda badge there, but I just don't know. I like the clean look.
It would look a little, it just looks empty. That's all I'm saying personally for me. Or maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, take a good look at it. What do you guys think? H Honda badge or no Honda badge?
Or accurate badge.
Acura is crazy. This is the side view shot. I do want the Varis side skirts. I feel like the side skirts also need to be changed. And now the rears. The rear is what gets me because I try to balance the aggressiveness with the rear and the front by putting the Voltex wing on it. But it's still lacking. It doesn't look too aggressive to me. Maybe to like a regular like NPC drive around the highway, they're like, whoa, that's a cool car, it's got a big... I don't really know what they're thinking, but to like a car enthusiast, I just got a big wing, right? That's basically it. Me personally, I feel like the rear is just lacking with how aggressive the front looks. From this angle, you can tell the fender pops out a lot. And then you have the Varis hood, that's carbon. You have the carbon lip, and you have the Varis front bumper. And then you go to like the side and the rears, and it's just, that's it. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think I should do next? Side skirts, Varis diffuser, throw some options out there. Before any of you guys say, go power, we do have a power mod, maybe power-ish mod coming soon. You guys probably will have to give me like a week, maybe two, to find time to install the part and then obviously edit the video and get it rolling out. But yeah, that's coming soon. My full goal exterior wise for this car is to get the full authentic Varis kit. But since your boy still owes on the car, I don't want to be cutting into the car just yet. Maybe when I'm closer to paying the car off. And also too, if I do cut into the car, right, or have like the EPR Varis style stuff all over my car, my reasoning for getting the EPR thing right now is that when I do go full authentic Varis, right, if I get into a car accident or a minor accident with the Varis kit on, I at least have the EPR Varis style pieces to put onto the car, and I don't have to stare at a broken Type R like I was for the past 3 months driving around like that. So yeah, I don't know. I'm weighing my options right now. That's just what it is right now. But a part of me also don't want to go that route because the only thing not authentic right now is just the bottom portion of that lip. Literally. Everything else is authentic, just not the bottom portion of the lip. And I'm pretty sure none of you guys would even know if I didn't say anything. If I wasn't being real with you guys, y'all wouldn't know. I could honestly just fake it right now and be like, yeah, this is all Varis stuff. Y'all wouldn't know unless y'all popped open the hood at a car show or car meet, looked under to see if there's a serial number under there. I'm about to rip off that Varis label sticker and slap it on that one real quick. So y'all wouldn't even know. How would they know? How would they know? How would y'all know? Gonna put this bad boy on.
Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, quality.
We're finally replacing this ugly, danky piece of junk C manual. I put oil cap.
Oil cap?
Oil cap. And we're replacing with this beautiful titanium.
Nah, I think it's just raw aluminum.
Raw aluminum. It's very light. Looks pretty. Let's open this junk up. Ew, it's kind of dirty, brother. A lot of oil in there. This is so clean looking, man. Oh god, oh, I placed it right too.
Man, perfect.
Yeah, that looked like it belonged there, fam.
It really do. This thing looks clean.
A little bit of hit the red. That's what I like to see. That's mint. This in the trash.
Garbage. Now,
Don't mind all the dirty engine bay right here.
I got something for that too. Oh, I actually got these like fender covers or engine bay covers on the sides because the reason why I don't have the fender liner in is because your boy is running the Saban design wide fenders, and obviously when you get wider fenders or aftermarket fenders, well, wider aftermarket fenders, your fender lining won't fit in the same OEM spot. So yeah, just to make sure no more dirt accumulates into the engine bay, I got these covers that I'm gonna install later. The J's Racing valve cover with the Seeker oil cap look crazy. The next thing for engine bay might possibly be an inlet pipe, a titanium one or a carbon one. I don't know, we'll see. Bro, I'm so happy that the car is back. I do like the grill portion being black though. I mean, that's originally what it was supposed to look like. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you guys would like to see next. Give me ideas. Just start throwing ideas out in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed the video today, obviously leave a like, comment anything you guys have, and don't forget to subscribe to your boy to not miss out on any future content. And I see you guys next time. Peace.